Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a multi-bit screwdriver. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this video tutorial with these easy instructions. So let's get into this. This right here is my multi-bit screwdriver. It is the Pickwick brand, and I think it's called like the Pickwick, yeah, here it is, 6-pack plus. I actually did a review of this many years ago when I first got it. I got this multi-bit screwdriver to essentially keep inside of the house for little things like replacing the batteries in my kids' toys, because I have 4 young kids, so I'm always replacing toy batteries like just constantly, right? For like assembling things. My wife buys lots of furniture, so I'm always assembling things constantly. Really, this is just paint cans, as you can see the paint on there, and it's a really great great thing to have around the house. Obviously, for doing like renovation work and projects, I have my full serious insulated screwdriver set in the garage, but this is great for just having around the house. You leave it in the junk drawer. You all know what I'm talking about. So how to use it? Well, first and foremost, to use it as a screwdriver is really easy, okay? So you just simply, go put the head of the screwdriver right here, the head of the screwdriver bit into the screw, and you turn it clockwise, most likely to tighten the screw, and counterclockwise to loosen it. Very simple and straightforward. But most people don't know how to change the bit. They see all of these bits right here. Now, there are other types of multi-bit screwdrivers that you have to sort of remove the cap and the bits are stored inside. But for the most part, the ones that I've seen nowadays seem to have this design right here. Now, it's very easy. Essentially, you have to push these bits that are in here out. So you want to locate the bit that you want to use. Let's say I wanted to use this flathead bit right here with all of this paint on it from opening paint cans, from painting dozens of rooms with this, okay? Yes, my wife always chooses new colors. Oh, I like this color, honey. We should paint the room this color. No problem. I'll paint it, no problem. Do a, 10:30 p.m. to like 3 a.m. painting session of the room's painted. But anyways, I'm being serious though. So anyways, what you want to do is remove the old bit, okay, that's in there right now, and you're going to use this old bit to push out the new bit. So here's the bit that I want over here. I'm going to go down and I'm going to figure out which hole it's associated with, which is this one right here. I'm going to press this old bit into the hole. What's going to happen is the old bit is going to go and replace that new bit in that hole right there, and now you have access to the new bit. You can put it inside of your multi-bit screwdriver head, and that's it. Really cool, really easy to do. Now, you could do that obviously with any other bit. You just go ahead and place the old one inside there, and you grab the new one, just like that. Put it in there. Place the old one inside there, just like that. You grab a new one. I'll show that one on camera. I do apologize, okay? You place the old bit inside, like that. It pushes the new bit out as you push this up into there, and you take the new bit, and you're good to go, okay? It's that simple. Now, the one thing I really like about the multi-bit screwdriver is the simple fact that you don't even really need other drill bits anymore. I'll tell you why. I can use these, okay, with my drill. I believe they can fit in my impact driver as well because of the sort of hex sort of head over here, but I can't say that for certain. I remember using them with my impact driver, but I can't say for sure. This might be too big for the impact driver. I can't remember, but I definitely can use these with the drill. So if I ever need a drill bit, instead of going to my drill bit set, I usually just grab one of these, put it in the drill and use it. Honestly, it works really well. Unless I'm going to be using it, over and over, then I'll get the real drill bit, like a carbon one. But, if I'm just using it for a few things quickly, I usually just grab one of these. So really convenient to have. And yeah, that's it. That is how to use a multi-bit screwdriver, a full tutorial for absolute beginners. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.